Hi everybody, this is Arkady Frekhtman. I'm a New York City personal injury trial attorney, and today we're talking about causation, cause and effect. One of the things we have to show as personal injury trial attorneys in any case is causation. So the first question that the jury has to answer after a trial is usually, was the defendant negligent? And negligence is not using reasonable care, not being reasonably safe. So if the jury says yes, they were not reasonably careful and they were negligent, is that enough? Can I now win the case and get money? And the answer is no. You still have to show causation. The second question is, well, was that negligence a substantial factor in bringing about the injury? And I have to show that the negligence, for example, a car crash by a defendant or the hole that somebody tripped in, was a substantial factor, that it played a large role or a substantial or meaningful role in bringing about or causing the incident, like the fall, or the injury, like the herniated disc or the broken leg that required surgery. That's really, really important. And one of the ways the defendants fight you on causation is they say, yeah, we were negligent, but the negligence wasn't what caused, the person to fall. The person fell because they didn't look where they were going. And so that could mess up a case. That could lead to a defense verdict where you get nothing. So you have to be very careful about that. The second way is they could say, okay, yeah, we were negligent. We crashed into the rear of this person's car, but he had degenerative changes. We didn't cause any trauma by hitting the rear of his car. He already had that before. And so now you need a doctor to say, no, whatever he had before got aggravated and exacerbated, and there are new traumatic injuries on top of degeneration, which is the normal painless aging process. And these new traumatic additions to the pre-existing degeneration is what was caused by the crash. So you always need the jury to answer yes. Was the defendant's negligence a substantial factor in causing the injury or the incident? You always need them to say yes, because then you've established causation. And if you have established causation, then you get to the next question, which is state the amount to fairly compensate the plaintiff. What is this case worth? Then you get to damages, which is where you want to be as a plaintiff's attorney and definitely as a plaintiff with a personal injury civil justice case. So I hope this was helpful. Let us know what questions you have. If you need a consultation, just text me 347-566-9595. We are here helping serious injury victims and families get full justice.